Okay, I always use more heart than talent. I use more heart than talent. When I first learned that, I was like, huh? And I get it. Show up and be your best you. You don't have to learn all this stuff and try to be the best somebody else. Be the best you. Use more heart than talent. And I consistently use my superconscious mind and which is my God mind. Okay? So, and that's a whole lesson. So I'm not even going to go into that because it's so much. Because our mind, we have our subconscious mind, we have our mind, we have our superconscious mind. So that is a lot. But just affirm that you're going to be using your superconscious mind. That's the one you want to be used to. I say. Thank you for watching. Before we close, I want to invite you to join us in exploring the female divinity system using the African Goddess Initiation Manual by Abiola Abrams. We're looking for women who desire to awaken their goddess energies so that they can learn how to love themselves the most, so they can spread their magic all over the planet, so they can manifest the prosperity that is theirs by divine right, and so that they can move on this journey of theirs with ease and on purpose. The goddesses must be awakened. So if you're ready to elevate your life and you want to be a part of this mission, look in the description box or in the profile section and find the link to our sister circle and meet us on the other side.